Hi, everyone. I just wanted to show you what the folder for the continuity of education is going to look like and just some useful things that you can find in there. So when you navigate to our Algebra 1B page, if you click right now, it looks a little different because I'm on the teacher edition. You click the yellow folder that says continuity of education. And this is our main page where you're going to find a lot of important information that you can use day to day. So obviously, classic, High School Musical, we're all in this together. It's something that Mrs. Costello and I are trying to figure out the best ways to go through this, and your other teachers are also trying to figure out the best ways to go through this. So we appreciate your flexibility and your effort you're going to give us the next few weeks. So the first thing says need help, and it has our office hours information. So Mrs. Heberling and myself, I'll be available these 2 times via Zoom, which is the online video conferencing software. Mrs. Costello will be available these 2 times via Zoom. And you can find our Zoom link. So this first link is going to be the link that takes you to my office every day. And then I'm going to enter Mrs. Costello's in here once I get that from her also. But there is a note that we are also going to monitor the discussion board throughout the day. So if you miss our Zoom times and you have a question or you just don't feel comfortable getting in there, or it's just something quick you want to write to us, you can always post it in this link right here where it says, please post your questions here. So in here, that is just an open discussion board for you to post questions. We can respond, your classmates can respond. So I would recommend putting any questions there because if you have a question, then chances are another student also has that same question. After that, you're going to find this folder that says helpful tech hints and resources. So if you would click that, I just put some different resources in here that might help you with the tech side of things. So things like how to take a screenshot on your laptop if you need to turn in an assignment, or if you need to make or complete a worksheet, you can take a screenshot of it and then annotate that PDF. So if that's something you have questions about, I can help you with that. If you need to scan anything using your phone, you can take a picture and it turns it into a scan, which just looks a little nicer than a photo and can save you some file space. There's a way to make your phone or an iPad or a tablet into a digital whiteboard using the app Show Me. Here's links for online calculators, so a graphing calculator or one that is actually for calculating, like with the numbers and the symbols and all that. And then lastly, if you're having any tech issues with your device or with anything that the school can help you with, they set up an email, studentsupport@pasd.us, and you can email them anytime to create a tech ticket, and they can get back to you with how they can help. Moving on, I have a folder here for graphic organizers. Now, there's only 2 there for now, but as we go through lessons, I'm just going to put any kind of cheat sheets or organizers that might be helpful. So one that's going to help you right off the bat is this multiplication factor chart. It has all the numbers, 1 to something really high, I'm not sure what, and it has all the factors listed that you can use when we're doing our factoring. So if you need factors of 30 that add to 13, you can use this factor chart to help you. And then I also have one right now for perfect squares, which is going to help us in a few days also. All right, lastly then, down here, you're not going to be able to see all these right now, but eventually we're just going to build our library of different COE, I'm going to change them to E's, COE folders, starting with number 1. So for example, this first day, you can open COE number 1, and it's going to go through exactly what we're going to ask you to do there. So I'm going to try to post a to-do list every day that you can follow. And besides that, if you have any questions, if there's any links that aren't working, if there's anything that you need to do and you can't quite figure out how, please ask us. We're happy to help, and we're going to figure this all out together. So hopefully the first few days might be a little bit slow trying to figure out accounts and how to upload and how to navigate all of this. But as we get used to it, then hopefully it will be a little bit easier.